Hey guys, this is just a quick video to show you what I believe is probably one of the best beginner drones out there on the market. For anybody who's wanting to learn how to fly a drone and they don't want to wreck a $700,000, $800,000, $1,000 drone, you probably first want to get a few toy drones just to experiment with. I went with the Parrot Mambo, and it's this little guy right here. And I also went with the Parrot Mini controller. Both of them are very nice pieces to get, and I would definitely get the controller with your drone so that you can learn how to fly. Once you up the ante and get a different drone, you will have all the skills you need. The mini controller is really nice. This is where you put your iPhone at, or your phone. These are your control joysticks, and you have your up and down, and your left and forward and back, and left and right. And then you have, for the Parrot Mambo, 1 and 2 are flips, and this is takeoff button. A and B don't do anything for the Mambo. And then in the back you have your left and right toggles up and down as well. I also use this controller with my Bebop 1 that I have, and I'll do another video and show you the Bebop 1. This is the Parrot Mambo. Really tiny little drone, fun to fly. I'll do another video where I will show you how to fly it and how to turn it on, and tell you a little bit more about it. But I think that this is a really good drone to get when you're first learning how to fly drones. The actual drone will run you about $49, and the controller will run you about $21. You can fly this one inside with these little safety bumpers on it. Actually, this little bumper is about ready to fall off. And then outside you can leave the bumpers on, or you can take them off. It's a fun little drone to fly. I believe that you can also code it and teach it to do some things as well. It comes with a set of pinchers that can lift things, and it also has a little cannon that you can buy so that you can shoot little cannonballs as well. Super fun drone. The battery lasts about 10 minutes maybe, so I've purchased like 3 different batteries so that I can have about a half hour of time with it. Very lightweight. You can take it off in the palm of your hand. You can fly it inside, you can fly it outside, and it's just a super fun little drone to learn how to fly. And like I said, I would definitely get it with a remote control as well. That way when you do start advancing your drones, you'll know how to fly with the joysticks with the remote as well. Once again, this was just a short little video about the Parrot Mambo, and I think that it's probably a really good idea when you're first getting into droning to go with a drone that is a little less expensive so that you can learn all about it. Thanks a lot guys for listening, and let me know what your favorite beginner drone is. Ciao.